4 kilograms, gold granulating machine. This is control panel. This is temperature testing system. This is the stainless steel material water tank. This is the loading crane. After the grains came out, you just lift off the loading frame to take out the grains. This is the temperature testing system. It is K-type. This is thermocouple. When melting, you can put the thermocouple graphite holder into the crucible. If melting finished, you can take out the thermocouple and put in this position. Let us see the working process. Melting process. Granulating process. After the metal melted, it falls down into the water tank. The water temperature of the tank is set to 40 to 50 degrees centigrade. The granulation effect is the best. The silver grains